Hello, this is Stuart from Burningsuit, and this video is about one of the most popular topics on our blog, Power BI licensing. So if you've got questions or you've got queries about Power BI licensing, this may help. Simply, there are three basic Power BI license types. There's the free Power BI license, which as its name suggests is free and anyone can get access to it. There's a pro license, most commonly used in organisations that are already using Power BI or have pro licenses. And there's the premium license for large organisations that really want to make the best out of Power BI. Now let's look at these three license types in detail. We'll start with the pro license type because that's the most common. Now the pro license type has a cost of £7.50 per user per month. Now that's a per head cost. It's an individual cost per license. £7.50 in the UK, that tracks $9.99 in the States. Now, what do you get for your £7.50 per user per month? Well, you get a data capacity limit of 10 gigabytes. You get 10 gigabytes in the cloud, in the Power BI cloud, where you can store your reports, dashboards, data models, etc. Now, a data model is a part of Power BI you may be aware of. A data model allows you to take data from disparate places, from SQL databases, from Access files, from CSV files, from Excel files, and bring them together into one coherent whole. Now, that data model has a maximum size in the cloud of 1 gigabyte. You can upload 1 gigabyte data model, that's maximum size. Basically what you can do, you can create and view the dashboards and reports, you can share dashboards and reports with other BI users. You can download and use Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop's a free download, anyone can do that. You don't need a license to do it. But if you've got a pro license, you can then publish the information up to the cloud. You can access that data once it's in the cloud via mobile devices through your iPhone or your Android device. You can import data from Excel, you can export data to CSV, etc. You can publish to web. That's normally now turned off as an option, but you can turn that option on and you can publish to a publicly facing website, make the data public. You can publish to SharePoint. You can publish to Premium. I'll talk about Premium in a moment. As regards data refresh, you get up to 8 data refreshes per day with 30 minutes between refreshes. So these are in-cloud refreshes, usually automated. You get 8 of those per day with up to 30 minutes between refreshes. You get access to live data sources, you can live connect to SQL databases, etc. And you get access to the collaboration elements. You can collaborate with Office 365 groups and teams, etc. in Power BI. You also create and publish apps and consume apps. So that's a Power BI Pro license. The Power BI free license is essentially the same, but with one major change. The free license does not allow you to share information with others or for others to share information with you in Power BI. You get all the same elements. You get 10 gigabytes data capacity, you get a 1 gigabyte data model, you get the access to view and share them. Of course, you can use Power BI Desktop because that's free. Anyone can use Power BI Desktop. But what you can't do is share that information that you've published to the cloud with other users or view other users' data that they've shared with you in the cloud. So if you're a pro user, you share information with a free user, they won't be able to see it. Again, if you've got data models uploaded to the cloud, you can refresh those. You get 8 refreshes per day, 30 minutes between refreshes, but you don't get the live data sources, you don't get the collaboration with Office 365, etc. Third license type is the premium license. Premium license, as its name suggests, at a premium price. It's quite expensive, up to £3,100 per organisation. This is per capacity. So one way of thinking about this is you can buy this for the organisation or you can buy this as a capacity limited element. You get a staggering amount of data storage. You get 100 terabytes of data storage in the cloud, and your data models can be a lot larger, 10 gigabytes for a data model size. But the issue with the premium license is it's a view-only license. It's a license that enables others to view the data. And what the thing with a premium license allows you to do, if you put reports or dashboards onto a premium space, then users with a free license can view them if they're shared with those users. So this enables users with a free license to see data that's on a premium capacity. So most common use of a premium capacity is for a large organization. They'll still have to have several pro licenses, which are a creator's license. Creators can create the reports, create the dashboards. They need a pro license. But they can put it onto a premium space, and then anyone else in the organization, even if they've only got a free license, can access and view that information if it's shared with them. You get a lot of other facilities with premium as well. Some of the highlights, you get 48 refreshes per day with a minute between refresh. Premium also has a large number of other new facilities. I recommend you go and look at the Microsoft documentation as for all the facilities that Premium gives you. So how do you find out what license type you have? Well, to find out what license type you have, you need to look in your Power BI account in the cloud. So if I go to the cloud, so here's my workspace in Power BI. And if I look at my workspace, this is the new workspace layout. If I go to the new workspace layout, look at settings, and then manage personal storage, you'll see here it shows me my license type. I'm a pro user and the amount of storage I've used. I've used 44 megabytes of my 10 gigabytes, so nowhere near filling that up as yet. So a pro user, you can see your license there, or if you're a free user, you go to their same place and it will say free user. The only other thing it may say there, if you've got a free license that gives you a pro license for 60 days, this is a trial license, it'll say it's a pro trial, and it will tell you the number of days it's got to go until it reverts back to a free license. So there's pro and free being seen there. To find out if you've got a premium license, you need to look at the workspaces you have access to, or in some cases it may be on your workspace. But if you look at the workspaces you have access to and look down the list of workspaces, you may see a workspace like this with this little diamond logo. This diamond logo shows that this workspace is on a premium workspace. This is on a premium license. So this means that you can store large amounts of data here. Your data model can be up to 10 gigabytes in size. And importantly, if you share this information with other users, they only need a free license to view data that's on this workspace. These workspaces are ordinary workspaces, are pro workspaces, and anyone needs a pro license to view information that's shared with them. But this workspace is a premium workspace using a premium license, and that allows users to access information with only a free license if it's shared with them. So our three basic license types: free, pro, and premium. So some basic information about Power BI licenses. If you want to find out more, as I say, go to our website and blog. You'll find more information there. If you want to contact us, our contact numbers are there, or you can email us on info@burningsuit.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you soon.